what's up. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the camera error in Instagram. So when in Instagram story you make a video and apply any filter, your screen got black. So in this video I'm going to show you how you fix that. So let's make a video. Okay, once you make a video, your screen got pause, then you apply any filter and your screen got black. So fix this issue, let's discard this. Go to Play Store and update your Instagram app. Okay, we are done. Let's open Instagram. Okay, let's go to story camera. Okay, now let's record a video. Okay, now the issue is sorted and we can apply different filters. Let's apply. So that's it guys. Likewise you can fix the camera error in Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.